Welcome to day 2 of Waxvent, everybody. Different TD Barbers. So this is my patient, and you can see with this one we've got some really soft wax in this particular ear canal. I made it super duper soft. It's that kind of odd consistency. I always say like a butter sugar mix. That's what you've got here, and it's coming away really well. Hey, Welsh person won Grippish Bake Off.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, Welsh lady did. Yeah, congratulations.
Oh, wow.
I can't remember now.
I don't watch a Bake Off.
What's the matter with you?
I know.
Love Bake Off. We sit down as like a family, and I'm trying to lose some weight at the moment, so I'm starving the whole time watching Bake Off. I need
the cakes and the sweets and the...
I got a terrible sweet tooth. I'm really bad for sweet tooth.
Same.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
wow.
I prefer dessert rather than starter.
Yeah, definitely. I know somebody who does start a main starter. Strange.
Oh.
So yeah, you can see it's a bit of an odd one. Nice big chunky bit of wax that one there. It's coming away really nicely. Yeah, it's my favourite time of year because it's all the sweet stuff's out now. I'm a sucker for a mince pie as well.
It's not even December, and I've already... Oh, no, it is December. We're on the 2nd day of December.
We are, yeah.
We're in the middle of Waxvent.
Yeah.
Of course we are. I'm losing track.
Because we record this slightly before. We don't want to spoil the mystery, but that's what happens.
I've already gone through probably like 3 packs of mince pies already.
Oh, because I've been on a health kick for the last 3 months.
Gosh.
I've had 1 mince pie. 1.
We're going to have to get you one.
They got to spike your wait till New Year and go smash mince pies.
Don't tell anyone.
They just push it away. Mince pies. Brandy snaps I love as well.
Just put it in the middle of a wrap or something so you don't see it.
I try that. So we have 3/8 of an inch on that one, guys.
Oh, yeah, 1 centimetre. Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching day 2 of Waxvent. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will be back tomorrow for day 3 of Waxvent as well, guys. But as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.